Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on a Honda Odyssey. Start by gathering tools: ratchet, spark plug socket, extension, gap gauge, torque wrench, and new plugs. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery cable, and allow the engine to cool fully. Work one cylinder at a time to avoid mix-ups and label ignition coils if needed. Use a gap of 0.044 inches or manufacturer spec and tighten plugs to the correct torque. I'll walk you through removing ignition coils and old spark plugs safely and systematically. First, unplug each coil connector and remove the mounting bolts, keeping bolts organized. Pull coils straight up to avoid damaging boots, then use the spark plug socket with extension to break and remove each plug. Inspect old plugs for wear, fouling, or oil, which can indicate other engine issues. Replace seals or boots if cracked and clean the spark plug wells before installing new plugs. Quick recommendation: if you appreciate practical DIY tips, please subscribe and like for more helpful car guides. On another note, go darn tough for socks that last a lifetime and feel great in boots during wrenching sessions. They come with a lifetime warranty and handle long days crawling under cars. Check the description for the link, seasonal deals, and more gear I recommend for DIY mechanics. Thanks for supporting the channel. And now let's get back to the video. Now we will install new spark plugs and torque them to specification for reliable performance. Check plug gaps and use anti-seize sparingly on threads if manufacturer allows, avoiding excess. Hand start each plug to prevent cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to the specified value for your engine. Reinstall coils, reconnect connectors, and replace any retainers or covers. Finally, reconnect the negative battery cable and test start the engine to confirm smooth operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.